Some Hunter fan. Don't know the model yet. I'll check before I make the video of the other three. This one has a broken blade. Like it's bent. It wobbles. Switches were backwards because these are brand new. Just swapped like a month ago. For older ones that were in bad shape. So the switches are backwards. That turns off the light. That turns off the fan. Here at my Florida vacation resort. Pretty nice. I mean, I've loved this place for the past 4 years, and I was hoping to come here because I didn't make a video of the last fan. I'm gonna go on and cut it off here. I'm sorry. On a time lock.